This is a Drew Taylor demonstration.
Cameronz Klazz is now in session on WDG Radio, undergroundcolumbus.com.
We're going to go ahead and go into some more music here. I just tried to grab a mouse and I grabbed my icebreakers. Oh. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to click with this. WDG Radio, that was Alicia with Out of My System right here on Cameronz Klazz. I would have to look outside and just make sure, like, what is going... Did the rapture happen? I don't know. There is no more law of the land. WTEN 62.5 FM. It's your man Rude sitting here with Lady T and Monish Marie. What up, y'all?
What's up? Hey.
We're going to go ahead and go straight into Blank Yourself. Let's go.
WTEN, Blank Yourself.
If you work third shift at a porn store, protect yourself. If your username on Facebook is Smack Marsha, smack yourself. If your breath is hotter than the core of the sun, check yourself.
You know what? That's kind of bad.
You listening to Cameronz Klazz. That almost sounded like a cuss word, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. It did. You can't say those words on the air.
I can't say them at all. The woman has spoken. I'm on a leash.
And that is how the master does it.
Hello, I'm Drew Taylor, also known as Details or Rude on the radio. I want to thank you for taking the time to listen to a small demonstration of how I host a radio show. My telephone number is 614-372-4457, and my email address is dtaylz27@yahoo.com.